Okay, in this recording, I'm going to show you how to use the AI tool inside of Brightspace to detect issues within instructions for assignments, quizzes, and discussions. So to do this, you do not want to go into the tools for these particular items. What you want to do is you want to go into the content area. So you can get to the content area this way, or you can go into the module where you know you're having some problems. All right, so I know that I have a set of instructions here that has an issue with heading and there's no alt text on an image. So from in the content area, all I have to do is click inside the directions, and I'm going to go ahead on the bottom right hand corner. I see my ally gear and it shows me what the percentage is of this text right now. So I'm going to go into that, so I'm going to click on it. And it's going to tell me what's wrong. So there is an issue with the image not having alt text on it. Okay. Now I also know that this is going to, once I fix this, it will come up with the heading as an issue as well. But let me say I'm going to go out and fix this because I don't want to fix it here because for some reason it's not holding the change. So I'm going to close out of the LI report and I'm going to go to that image and I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to click on the image options. And if it was just decorative, I could pick that. If I want to add a description, I'm going to say shows a folder called CIS 105 with a subfolder called Capers branching of CIS 105. And obviously I can get rid of the error there, and I'm going to save it. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead, and you can see as soon as I did that, it changed my percentage in the corner here. So right now I want to update it because I want to make sure it holds that change. So I'm going to update that. All right. I'm going to click inside of it again. I just wanted to be safe to make sure it was updated. I'm going to go back and click on this. And I can see it's telling me my first heading is not at the highest level. So if I click in here, I can see this is a heading 2. So it should be a heading 1 for the first thing inside of a document or a page. So I'm going to come out here, I'm going to click on this, change this to a heading 1. It should cause this to update, which it just did. It's depending on how much text is on the area, it might take a few seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. And now those instructions are 100% ADA compliant. So again, you just click inside of it and you'll be able to see what the gear is showing up to let you know if there's a problem.